Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most revolutionary ideas in the world of clean energy, Tesla's Gigafactories.
People have called you the real Tony Stark. Are you sincerely trying to save the world?
Today we're exploring how these massive cutting-edge factories are not just the heart of Tesla's electric vehicle production, but a key player in shaping the future of global transportation. Tesla, under the vision of its CEO Elon Musk, is on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Founded in 2003, the company began with a bold goal to make electric vehicles, EVs, not only viable but dominant. Tesla's mission isn't just about creating cars, it's about creating a sustainable future for all of us. And at the center of this mission lies the Gigafactory, the backbone of Tesla's production process. So, what exactly is a Gigafactory? These are colossal manufacturing facilities designed to produce EVs and, perhaps more importantly, the batteries that power them. Tesla's first Gigafactory, located in Nevada, is a sprawling 5.3 million square feet, roughly the size of 100 football fields. This facility alone is responsible for producing more batteries annually than the entire world was producing before its creation. And as of today, Tesla operates several of these Gigafactories worldwide, including in Shanghai, Berlin, and Austin, with plans to expand even further. These factories represent the future of clean, scalable production. Without them, the mass production of electric cars simply wouldn't be possible. Before digging into all of this, a quick note. Our analytics show that only 1% of our viewers are subscribed to our channel. We have a big goal to hit 100,000 subscribers in the next 12 months, and we'd love for you to be part of that journey. So if you enjoy this content, please hit that subscribe button. The Gigafactories. As electric vehicles began to gain popularity, Tesla faced an enormous challenge: how to produce enough EVs to meet the rapidly growing demand while keeping costs low and manufacturing sustainable. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, global EV sales skyrocketed from 17,000 units in 2010 to over 3 million by 2020. And the numbers continue to rise, with projections estimating over 145 million EVs on the road by 2030, IEA 2021. But for Tesla to keep up with this explosive growth, they needed more than just traditional car manufacturing plants. They needed something revolutionary. That's where Elon Musk's vision for Gigafactories comes in. Musk knew that for EVs to be affordable and accessible on a large scale, Tesla would need to build its own batteries at an unprecedented pace. In 2013, the global production of lithium-ion batteries stood at just 30 gigawatt-hours per year. To meet Tesla's production goals alone, they needed at least 50 gigawatt-hours annually, which was simply impossible with existing infrastructure. Musk envisioned Gigafactories as colossal, vertically integrated facilities that could produce everything from batteries to entire vehicles under one roof, powered by renewable energy. These factories would dramatically reduce production costs through economies of scale and automation, bringing sustainable energy to the masses. The first of these Gigafactories, Gigafactory 1, was built in Sparks, Nevada, breaking ground in 2014. At full capacity, Gigafactory 1 was designed to produce 35 gigawatt-hours of batteries annually, more than the entire global production of batteries in 2013. Tesla reported that the factory would be able to produce enough batteries to power 500,000 vehicles per year, with the long-term goal of reaching 150 gigawatt-hours of annual production. Tesla 2022. Gigafactory 1 isn't just large, it's enormous, covering 5.3 million square feet, roughly the size of 100 football fields. More than just a production powerhouse, Gigafactory 1 is also a model of sustainability. Tesla designed it to be powered entirely by renewable energy, including solar, wind, and geothermal sources, aligning with the company's mission to create a sustainable future. According to Tesla, once fully operational, the factory will have a net zero energy footprint, Tesla 2022. The Nevada Gigafactory set the blueprint for all future Tesla facilities, including Gigafactory Shanghai, Gigafactory Berlin, and Gigafactory Texas. These factories have scaled up Tesla's production capabilities dramatically. In 2022 alone, Tesla produced over 1.3 million vehicles, a number that continues to grow with each new factory opening. Statista, 2023. Elon Musk's vision for Gigafactories was simple yet profound. Create a machine that builds machines, using sustainable practices to drive the mass adoption of electric vehicles. Without Gigafactory 1, Tesla wouldn't have been able to achieve the scale it enjoys today, and the global shift toward electric vehicles would have been much slower. How Gigafactories are built. Building a Tesla Gigafactory is no small feat. These colossal factories, which span millions of square feet, are constructed with a singular focus: efficiency, both in production and sustainability. Tesla's Gigafactories are more than just buildings. They are a testament to rapid, innovative, and eco-friendly construction, reflecting Elon Musk's vision of a future where manufacturing is as sustainable as the products themselves. The process of building a Gigafactory begins with identifying strategic locations around the world, close to supply chains and key markets. Once a location is selected, the speed at which Tesla constructs these facilities is remarkable. For instance, Gigafactory Shanghai, one of Tesla's largest plants, broke ground in early 2019, and within just 10 months, it was already producing its first Model 3 vehicles. According to Tesla, this fast-paced construction allowed them to start production at a fraction of the time it usually takes to build such massive factories, helping them meet surging demand for electric vehicles. Tesla, 2020. The next step is designing the factory to align with Tesla's sustainability goals. Tesla employs sustainable materials and cutting-edge construction methods to reduce the environmental impact. For example, Gigafactory buildings incorporate prefabricated components, which allows for faster assembly and reduces waste. Tesla also recycles materials on site during construction to minimize the factory's overall carbon footprint. This process not only speeds up construction, but also ensures that each Gigafactory is built with sustainability in mind from the ground up. Tesla 2022. What sets Tesla apart from traditional automakers is their emphasis on energy efficiency. Every Gigafactory is designed to be powered by renewable energy sources, especially solar power. For instance, Gigafactory 1 in Nevada features a massive rooftop solar installation, and once fully operational, it will be powered entirely by renewable energy, including solar, wind, and geothermal sources. This focus on renewable energy aligns with Tesla's long-term goal of reducing the environmental impact of both production and the final product. According to Tesla's 2021 Impact Report, its factories aim to achieve net zero energy usage by harnessing natural energy sources. Tesla Impact Report 2021. Tesla's commitment to rapid, sustainable construction is also reflected in their groundbreaking work on Gigafactory Berlin. Construction began in 2020, and despite delays due to local environmental regulations, the factory was built in record time, with production starting in March 2022. Gigafactory Berlin sets a new standard for energy efficiency, integrating advanced heat recovery systems and water recycling techniques to minimize the environmental footprint during production. These Gigafactories are not only marvels of rapid construction, but also engineering wonders that embody Tesla's vision of creating a cleaner, more sustainable future. With each new factory, Tesla pushes the boundaries of what's possible in sustainable manufacturing, showing that it's not just about building cars, it's about building a greener planet. The first Gigafactory in Nevada. In 2014, Tesla broke ground on a project that would revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Gigafactory 1 in Sparks, Nevada. This factory wasn't just another manufacturing plant, it was a critical part of Tesla's plan to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles and make them more affordable for everyone. But why Nevada? There were several reasons why Tesla chose this location. Nevada offered an ideal combination of access to renewable energy sources, proximity to key materials like lithium, and strong support from the state government in the form of tax incentives and infrastructure improvements. With its abundant solar and geothermal energy potential, Nevada was a perfect fit for Tesla's vision of powering the factory with renewable energy. Tesla, 2014. Gigafactory 1's primary mission was to produce the batteries needed for Tesla's mass-market electric vehicle, the Model 3. Prior to this, the high cost of lithium-ion batteries had made electric cars too expensive for most consumers. Tesla's goal with the Model 3 was to create an affordable EV, and achieving that required drastically reducing battery costs. At full capacity, the Nevada Gigafactory was designed to produce 35 gigawatt-hours (GWh) of battery cells annually, enough to power 500,000 Model 3s per year. This massive scale helped drive down the cost of batteries by more than 30%, making the Model 3 accessible to a broader market and cementing Tesla's position as the leader in the EV industry. Tesla, 2022. The impact of Gigafactory 1 went beyond just Tesla. It fundamentally changed the car industry by showing that large-scale battery production could bring down costs, making electric vehicles more competitive with traditional gas-powered cars. According to Bloomberg, by 2018, Gigafactory 1 had already become the world's largest battery factory, producing more lithium-ion batteries than all other factories combined at that time. Bloomberg, 2018. This shift in battery production didn't just benefit Tesla. It forced the entire automotive industry to rethink how batteries are made, accelerating the transition to electric vehicles worldwide. In terms of size, Gigafactory 1 is nothing short of remarkable. When completed, the factory will cover over 13.6 million square feet, making it one of the largest buildings in the world. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is evident in the factory's design. It's powered by renewable energy sources, including solar and wind power. In fact, the factory's rooftop solar array is expected to become the largest in the world once fully completed. Tesla Impact Report 2021. The factory's location also takes advantage of Nevada's geothermal resources to help power its operations. Gigafactory 1 set the stage for the future of Tesla's production, demonstrating that with the right infrastructure, electric vehicles could be affordable, sustainable, and accessible to millions. This factory didn't just change Tesla, it changed the trajectory of the entire car industry. The engineering behind Tesla Gigafactories. At the heart of Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy is more than just electric vehicles. It's the engineering genius behind their Gigafactories. These massive production hubs are designed with cutting-edge technology, not only to meet the increasing demand for EVs, but also to drive down costs and set a new standard for sustainable manufacturing. But what makes Tesla's Gigafactory so special? It's a combination of advanced automation, vertical integration, and renewable energy use that powers these state-of-the-art facilities. Tesla's Gigafactories are marvels of modern engineering, designed to operate at unprecedented scales. For example, Gigafactory 1 in Nevada is structured to produce 35 gigawatt-hours of battery cells annually, enough to power 500,000 electric vehicles per year. Tesla 2022. This level of production is possible because Tesla has embraced vertical integration, meaning nearly every aspect of the production process happens in-house. From refining raw materials to producing battery cells to assembling vehicles, every step takes place under one roof. This integration allows for precise control over quality and efficiency, reducing costs and increasing the speed of production. Automation plays a key role in achieving such efficiency. According to Tesla, their Gigafactories use thousands of robots to streamline processes, from welding and painting to assembling batteries and electric motors. These robots work in tandem with human employees to ensure the factory operates at maximum efficiency. At Gigafactory Berlin, Tesla introduced its most advanced robotic systems yet, which are capable of producing a Model Y every 45 seconds once fully ramped up. Tesla 2022. This high level of automation allows Tesla to scale production rapidly, meeting the increasing global demand for EVs. Sustainability is another cornerstone of Gigafactory engineering. Each factory is designed to run on renewable energy, helping Tesla reduce its overall environmental footprint. Gigafactory 1 in Nevada, for instance, is powered by a combination of solar, wind, and geothermal energy sources. Tesla's long-term goal is to operate all its Gigafactories on 100% renewable energy. According to Tesla's 2021 Impact Report, These facilities have already achieved significant energy efficiency improvements, with Gigafactory Shanghai using about 65% less water per vehicle produced compared to industry averages, thanks to advanced recycling systems. Tesla Impact Report 2021. Another engineering marvel is Tesla's commitment to energy-efficient construction. Each Gigafactory is built using prefabricated components, which not only speeds up construction, but also reduces waste. Tesla broke records with Gigafactory Shanghai, which went from groundbreaking to producing cars in less than 10 months. This rapid construction process was made possible by modular design principles, enabling Tesla to build quickly without compromising quality or sustainability. Tesla 2020. Moreover, Tesla's engineers have developed innovations in battery production that have redefined the industry. With the introduction of the 4,680 battery cell produced in Tesla's Gigafactories, the company aims to increase battery energy density by 50%, reduce cost by 56%, and improve range by 16%, all while lowering the environmental impact of production. Tesla Battery Day 2020. These breakthroughs have not only made EVs more affordable, but also more accessible to the mass market. Through advanced engineering, Tesla's Gigafactories have become the backbone of its operations, enabling the company to lead the electric vehicle revolution. They are more than just factories, they are symbols of Tesla's commitment to innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. Why Gigafactories matter for electric cars? Tesla's Gigafactories are more than just gigantic manufacturing plants. They're essential for the company's mission to make electric cars mainstream. But why exactly does Tesla need these massive facilities? The answer lies in scale. Electric vehicle, EV, demand is soaring worldwide. According to Bloomberg NEF, global EV sales are expected to hit 26 million by 2030, with Tesla leading the way. Bloomberg NEF 2021. To meet this rapidly growing demand and transition the world away from gasoline-powered cars, Tesla must produce millions of vehicles each year, and Gigafactories are the key to making this possible. At the heart of every electric car is the battery, which makes up about 30% to 40% of the vehicle's total cost. Tesla's Gigafactories are designed to build batteries at unprecedented scales, which significantly reduces production costs. According to Tesla's own research, the massive output from their Gigafactories has driven down battery costs by nearly 30% since 2015, a critical factor in making their Model 3 and Model Y affordable to more consumers. Tesla 2022. By building batteries in such huge quantities, Tesla benefits from economies of scale, meaning the more they produce, the lower the cost per unit. This allows them to offer electric vehicles at prices that are competitive with traditional gasoline cars, helping to make the switch to EVs more financially viable for millions of people. But there's more to it than just cost savings. These Gigafactories are also essential for reducing Tesla's carbon footprint, making their vehicles even greener. Tesla is committed to sustainability not just through the cars they produce, but also in how they make them. Every Gigafactory is designed to run on renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal power. For example, Gigafactory 1 in Nevada, which produces batteries for Tesla's vehicles, is powered by a combination of solar and wind energy. And once fully operational, it's expected to have a net zero energy footprint. Tesla Impact Report 2021. This commitment to renewable energy reduces the overall environmental impact of manufacturing, making Tesla's electric vehicles even more environmentally friendly. Gigafactories are not just about producing more cars, they're about reshaping the entire automotive industry. Tesla's goal is to produce 20 million cars per year by 2030, a staggering number compared to their current production of just over 1.3 million cars in 2022. Statista 2023. To achieve this, Gigafactories are absolutely essential. Without them, the transition from gasoline cars to electric vehicles would be much slower, and the world would struggle to meet global climate goals. In short, Tesla's Gigafactories are critical to scaling electric vehicle production, reducing costs, lowering their carbon footprint, and ultimately making electric cars a viable option for the mass market. As these factories continue to grow in number and size, they'll play an even bigger role in helping the world move away from gasoline-powered vehicles and toward a sustainable electric future. The future of Gigafactories. As Tesla's Gigafactories continue to reshape the electric vehicle industry, Elon Musk's vision for the future of these megafactories is even more ambitious. Tesla is already on track to become a global manufacturing giant, but Musk has made it clear that the current Gigafactories are just the beginning. The company's ultimate goal is to produce 20 million electric vehicles annually by 2030, and to achieve this, Tesla will need to rapidly expand its Gigafactory footprint around the world. In the near future, Tesla is expected to announce the construction of new Gigafactories in emerging markets, with India being a prime candidate. India represents a huge growth opportunity for Tesla, with its population of over 1.4 billion people and a government that is heavily promoting electric mobility through incentives and policy shifts. According to Bloomberg, negotiations between Tesla and the Indian government have been ongoing, with potential plans to build a Gigafactory in India, focusing on both EV production and battery manufacturing to tap into the rapidly growing Indian automotive market. Bloomberg, 2021. If successful, a Gigafactory in India could drastically lower the cost of Tesla vehicles in Asia and position Tesla as a leader in one of the world's most competitive markets. Beyond India, there are strong indications that Tesla is eyeing other emerging markets in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe. These regions not only have a growing demand for EVs, but they are also strategic locations for tapping into new supply chains for critical raw materials like lithium and cobalt. According to the Economic Times, countries like Indonesia, which has the world's largest reserves of nickel, a key material in battery production, could be potential sites for future Tesla Gigafactories. The Economic Times, 2021. Tesla's existing Gigafactories in Nevada, Shanghai, Berlin, and Texas are already ramping up production to meet the current demand. But to achieve Musk's ambitious target of producing 20 million EVs per year by 2030, Tesla will need at least a dozen more Gigafactories worldwide. For context, Tesla produced about 1.3 million vehicles in 2022. And while this number continues to grow, reaching 20 million vehicles will require a massive increase in both factory output and geographic reach. According to Statista, Tesla's projected EV production capacity will need to expand by nearly 15 times its current output to hit this target. Statista, 2023. These future Gigafactories won't just focus on electric vehicles. Musk has hinted at expanding into new industries, such as renewable energy products like solar panels and grid-scale energy storage. Tesla's Gigafactory in Buffalo, New York, already produces solar panels, and Musk's vision includes integrating battery storage systems into Gigafactories to support global renewable energy grids. According to Tesla's 2021 impact report, the company sees Gigafactories as essential not just for EV production, but also for accelerating the adoption of sustainable energy on a global scale. Tesla Impact Report, 2021. The future of Tesla's Gigafactories is about more than just building cars. It's about building the infrastructure necessary to transition the world to sustainable energy. As these factories continue to grow in size and number, Tesla's global impact will expand, bringing us closer to a future where electric vehicles and clean energy solutions are the norm. Conclusion and call to action. As we've seen throughout this documentary, Tesla's Gigafactories are much more than just production plants. They are the backbone of the electric vehicle revolution and the key to a cleaner, more sustainable future. From the cutting-edge engineering that allows for mass production of electric vehicles to the use of renewable energy that powers these colossal facilities, Tesla has redefined what it means to manufacture at scale. These Gigafactories are not only producing millions of electric cars, they're also pushing the boundaries of energy storage, developing battery technologies that will power the vehicles and homes of tomorrow. The impact is clear. Tesla's Gigafactories have helped drive down the cost of electric vehicles, making them more accessible to consumers around the world. By producing batteries in massive quantities, Tesla has transformed an industry once dominated by fossil fuels, and their expansion plans into new markets like India, Southeast Asia, and beyond will only accelerate this global shift. In 2022 alone, Tesla produced over 1.3 million vehicles, and with a goal of 20 million EVs annually by 2030, the future is electric. As Bloomberg Net reports, global EV sales could top 26 million by 2030, with Tesla leading the charge, Bloomberg NEF 2021. But the Gigafactories aren't just about building cars. They represent a broader vision of sustainability, one where energy storage and renewable power generation go hand in hand. Tesla's innovations in grid-scale battery storage and solar energy products are setting the stage for a world that relies less on fossil fuels and more on clean, renewable energy sources. Tesla's Gigafactories are not just factories. They are shaping the future of transportation and clean energy. If you're as inspired by Tesla's mission as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the world of innovation and technology. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think the future of electric vehicles and sustainable energy holds. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore how electric cars are reshaping urban mobility. Thanks for watching.
It was our pleasure to spend some time with you. Thank you for watching the WTH channel. Let us know what you think of this video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.